National Weather Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for west central Wauwart County in southeastern Wisconsin, east central Rock County in south central Wisconsin, until 5:30 p.m. At 5:03 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Darien, or near Delavan, moving north at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Delavan, Darien, Richmond, Millard, and Delavan Lake. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is no